So guys, we have our sample map on the timeline. Now tab on plus, vector drawing. Now tab and swipe around this area. As you can see that the cursor in the screen also moving with the swipe. Now move the cursor to the starting point, single tap to put a point. Move the cursor to the second point, same, single tap. Repeat this process for the full path. Now if we look closely, as you can see, some corners of our roads are not sharp, they are round. So to make them round, select the point and tap on this button. See, now we have a Bezier curve. Let's do it for one more point. Now how to control this Bezier curve? As you can see that our Bezier curve has two handles. Tab and select one of the handles. Now if we swipe, as you can see both of them are moving, but we want to move them individually. For that, tap on this button to break the link. Now we can make one side sharp and another side round. So our drawing of the path is done. Go back, color and fill, disable the color, border and shadow, enable the stroke color, totally up to you, stroke width, enable the shadow for extra effect, go back, effects, add effect, go to search bar, search for drawing progress, standard settings, select the in tab, make a keyframe, the duration of the animation, make another keyframe, move back to the first keyframe, change the in value to 0 and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.